Hello! Are you 18 or under? PopBlue's the newer, cheaper and smarter way for young people to get around Tyne and Wear. It lets you pay for journeys as you make them. It's only £1 for a single journey and £2 if you're travelling all day. It's really easy to get started. Order your PopBlue card online at nexus.org.uk/metro/popblue or from any Nexus travel shop. All you have to do is buy it with a £10 balance and you're good to go. You must be 18 or under to use a PopBlue card, so make sure you've got ID with you in case you're asked to prove your age. Visit nexus.org.uk/metro/popblue for details on valid forms of ID. Once your PopBlue card arrives, you'll need to register it. It's important to register your PopBlue card, as this means you can top it up online and your balance is protected if it's ever lost or stolen. If this happens, report it to us and we can load your balance back onto a new PopBlue card. Go to popcards.org.uk to register your card and top up your balance. Once it's registered, you can then load a balance onto it. You can do this at any Metro station ticket machine, validator or gate. Your PopBlue card's now ready to use. Simply touch in and out at the start and end of your journey at a Metro station validator or gate, even if the gates are open. Remember, if you're 18 or under, you can get around for £1, or if you're travelling all day, it's just £2 to pay. To find out more, visit nexus.org.uk/metro/popblue.